guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome back for all the folks who've been here supporting. Channel have been monetized. I was waiting to do a big video, but I just wanted to make a comment about membership. So right now you can support with membership if you like. There's some membership perks. There are also some members only videos already on the channel. You can't see it, of course, unless you're a member. If you're having difficulty finding out, there is a link in the description on the channel. There will be a link on this video. You just click join. It will take you to a page. I would also put a link of a video telling you how to join a channel as a member. There's different levels of membership, so whatever your pocket could reach. In the early stages, members only content would be available to all members, but then we're going to be some more specific, some additional perks where the higher level of membership you have, the more things you will have access to on the channel. So this is there. I did not put out my usual Sunday video this morning. I wanted to let you know this. Thanks again for all the support. Thanks for watching all the videos. Leave some more comments. Let me know what you're thinking. Hit that like button. It really does matter. It makes a big difference. I want to know, so I have a few ideas what we're going to be having on the channel coming up soon. I'm going to send another videos with the ideas, but it's Sunday. This one should come out in the afternoon, Sunday afternoon in the Caribbean. I don't know where you are in the world, but this one should come out. It's really hot. I'm going to turn the car on. I'm going to turn the air conditioner on. You're going to see there'll be link on this video. There'll be link in the description. There'll be link on the channel. You can join as a member for now. You also can check out the supers. Lots of things coming, lots of good things coming. Thanks again for the support. Take the rest of this video to look at my trip to Adelphi Waterfall, a beautiful waterfall. So relaxing. Enjoy your evening. Thank you very much. Become a member today. Welcome to Adelphi Waterfall.